Children, now I am going to discuss the question number C of exercise 5.5. Compare and put greater than, less than or equal to symbol in the circle. In this question, we are given two sides to compare. But before comparing, we need to solve them. So let us solve. See the first example. On the left hand side, we are given 2 into 4. Now 2 4s are 8. On the right hand side, we are given 72 divided by 8. What will you get if you divide 72 by 8? It's very simple. Say the table of 8 till you get 72. 8 9s are 72. It means you will get 9. Now which one is bigger in 8 and 9? 9 is bigger, right? And 8 is smaller. It means the left hand side is less than the right hand side. So you can put here less than symbol. Now coming to the second example. On the left hand side we are given 2 divided by 1 and on the right hand side we are given 2 into 1. Let us solve them first to compare. 2 divided by 1. We know that any number divided by 1 always gives the number itself. So 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. And 2 multiplied by 1, any number multiplied by 1 always give the same number. So here again 2 will come. Now both the sides are equal, so here we can put equal to. Now see the another example. 5 into 0 and on the right hand side we are given 64 divided by 8. Now let us compare. But for that we need to solve both the sides, right? 5 into 0 is equal to what? Children, we know that any number multiplied by 0 always gives 0. So here the answer will be 0. On the right hand side we are given 64 divided by 8. What will you get when you divide 64 by 8? Say the table of 8 till you get 64. 8 8s are 64, right? Now which one is bigger in 0 and 8? 8 is bigger and 0 is smaller. It means the left hand side is less than the right hand side because the right hand side is bigger one. Now the fourth example. 3 divided by 1 and on the right hand side we are given 3 into 2. Now 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. Any number divided by 1 always gives the number itself. And 3 2s are 6. In 3 and 6 which one is bigger? 6 is bigger and 3 is smaller. So here again we can put less than symbol. And now see the last one. On the left hand side we are given 9 into 9 and on the right hand side we are given 81 divided by 9. Now let us solve the left hand side first. 9 9s are 81. Now coming to the right hand side. When you divide 81 by 9, what will you get? Say the table of 9 till you get 81. 9 9s are 81. So when you divide 81 by 9, you will get 9. Now in 81 and 9, which one is bigger? 81 is bigger. It means your left hand side is bigger than the right hand side. So here the greater than symbol will come. So like this you can compare the two sides